Are you an online store owner and you're wondering, how can I increase sales and attract more customers to my store? A highly effective solution is to build an affiliate marketing system. And AFFI, a plugin, will help you build a powerful affiliate marketing system right within WooCommerce. With AFFI, you can allow users to easily register as affiliates, track progress, commissions, view and get product affiliate links, access promotional materials, and request payments, all within a user-friendly dashboard. Affiliates can view commission values and get referral links directly on product or shop pages, making it easy for them to share affiliate links on social media platforms or anywhere, and earn commissions from every order placed through their link, while also helping you get more customers to visit your online store. And many more features are waiting for you to discover. Get started with AFFI, affiliate marketing for WooCommerce today. Turn your loyal customers into sales partners, expand your network, and increase revenue without huge advertising costs.